Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with the morning announcements. Good morning, Joya.
Good morning, Mr. Martinez. Good morning, Luca.
Good morning.
Luca, we look forward to every Friday when you join us. Good morning. Guys, I have a brand new flag this morning. Let me show you. This is Aiden K from kindergarten, Mrs. Krell's class, and he made this flag, and I believe he even got those little those little star stickers and put them up there. Shout out to Aiden K and Mrs. Krell's class. Isn't that nice?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Absolutely. Lead us in our flag salute, Joy.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God. I forgot the Pledge of Allegiance for a second.
Indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, no worries.
Okay.
Happy Friday, everybody. Good morning. Today is Friday, October 23rd. It's a nice, cool morning. High of 72 degrees outside, and it's going to get cooler this weekend. This is the weather we've been waiting for, guys, huh? Luca, do you like the cool weather, or do you prefer the warm weather?
I like the cool weather, actually.
Yeah, me too. I like it when it cools off at night. We've got the Dodger game 3 tonight. We've got Bueller on the mound for the Dodgers versus Morton from the Rays. We'll see what happens tonight. Starts at 5 o'clock. That should be great. We have been celebrating also Spirit Week, right? Joy, remind me, what did we do Monday? Monday was what?
Monday was Rainbow Day.
Rainbow Day. Then Tuesday we went to
Pattern Day, I think it was.
Pattern Day. Wednesday we had those crazy socks. What was yesterday?
Yesterday was Cougar Spirit Wear Day.
Okay, so I've got a picture of a family that sent this in. Look at this. Look at the school spirit. This is the Malacara family. And you've got everybody in there, even that looks like there's a doll on that couch that's even got a carpenter tag on it. And then look at Daddy, who's taking the picture. What's he wearing?
He has a carpenter shirt too.
That's right. So the Malacara family gets our shout out this morning for their spirit. That was yesterday. We had Carpenter Spirit Day. What's today, Joy? What are we celebrating today?
Today is school colors / Dodgers colors.
Boom. All right. Show your colors off, our guys. What do you got? I don't know if you can tell what color that is with my shirt there. I see Luca's got his shirt. Of got hers on there too. So we look forward to seeing everybody at school today with all their school colors. Great week of spirit. Thank you to our student council for doing that for us this week. Luca, today's Friday and it's Luca's Laudable Laughs. Remind everybody, what was the theme this week?
Well, this week, the theme was to submit what you think you're going to be for Halloween this year.
All right, perfect. Show us a couple of the submissions that you got. Let's see some of them.
Okay. So our first submission is actually from Joya. And you can see right here, she is dressing up as Almond Joy, the candy, although with the A. Almond Joya.
Joy, tell me, how did you make that big almond?
So my mom directed this show called Snackdown for like DreamWorks TV a long time ago, and she had the almond costume left over, so I just taped that side to it. And that's
nice. That was pretty creative. Well done. What else do we got, Luca?
So this is Sasha, and for this year, she wants to become sort of a boba drink, I guess.
Oh man, I wonder how she's gonna pull that off. Like that, getting that straw coming out of her hat, maybe. And then, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I've never had a boba. What are those little balls that are in there in the bottom of that cup? What is that? The boba?
Yeah.
Tapioca balls.
Tapioca balls. Okay. Is that really good? Is that good?
I've tried it once in like Chinatown.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
I'm always worried they're gonna like go down my throat. But
I know. They always get stuck in my straw and I can't drink anything.
Yeah, there's a lot swirling around in that cup. It always makes me nervous. All right. What else we got?
We have Molly. I think it's Maylee. and she wants to be a hula girl.
Hula girl,
You
great.
can see she took a picture of like a little hula girl statue somewhere.
She's gonna get a little grass skirt, maybe a lei around her neck, a flower in her ear, and boom, she'll be a hula girl.
Next we have Isaiah, and well, he submitted every single time we've done this competition.
This kid has got some school spirit, doesn't he?
Yeah, I think this is him in the middle right here.
Yeah, with his two buddies right there.
Yeah,
Look at those
and
outfits.
his friends.
Fantastic.
And they are trying to be U.S. Marines.
Yes.
And they're currently succeeding.
They are succeeding. They look fantastic. Shout out to Isaiah and his buddies.
Next we have Elena and Isabel. They are both Hermione from Harry Potter. You can see she has the wand in the books.
I love Harry Potter. Fantastic. Great outfit.
And that's all for today, folks.
So Luca, what's going to happen for next week?
I think since next week it's still sort of the Halloween theme, we're going to continue the theme into next week. So you can still submit your pictures and photos for Halloween. Because some people like weren't able to, because like I just got my Halloween costume yesterday.
Okay, good. So
everybody
remember, go to the website. It's Luca's Laudable Laughs. It's under the featured links. You have until next Thursday to put your submissions in. And Luca, you never know, he might be sharing your costume next Friday. Thank you, Luca.
And well, as the sign says, that's all.
That's right. All right. So listen, every Friday, we've been highlighting a different Carpenter family for the Unity Fair Family Stories. This week, we have a special treat. The family that's being highlighted this time is our very own Miss Ray, guys. Let me pull up her video. And I believe that we are celebrating in this video Filipino American History Month, which is this month in October also. And so here is a video from Miss Ray and the Latch family. Enjoy.
It's October, and October is Philippine American History Month. So that means that we celebrate the Filipinos that live here in America. And there is a lot. There are a lot, I mean. There is a big number, is what I meant to say, of Filipino people living here. I bet you were going to say Halloween, weren't you? I knew it. You were going to say Halloween! But it's also Philippine American History Month. The name the Philippines, where did that come from? Well, that came from, it was named after King Philip II of Spain. Spain, Miss Ray? Spain, because at one point, the Philippines was ruled by Spain. And there are these really world famous terraces. They call them rice terraces, and they look like these shelves of like rice paddies. If you Google the Philippines, that's one of the most famous images. And those are 2,000 years old, which is pretty unbelievable, because if you go look at them, they look so beautiful and lush, as if somebody just put them there yesterday. Beautiful. So the country of the Philippines, are you ready? It's made up of a lot of islands. Do you want to know how many? More than 7,000. More than 7,000 islands makes up the country of the Philippines. How crazy is that? So most people in the Philippines, they actually speak English. They also speak Tagalog, is the national language, Tagalog. But most kids in the Philippines, they learn English. They learn school in the English language. Today, we're going to learn a dance from the Philippines, and this is one of my favorite dances. I actually used to perform this as a child, and it is called Pandango sa Ilaw. So Pandango is a translation from the Spanish, and sa Ilaw is of the light, so it's the dance of the lights. Let me show you a video, and then we're going to get dancing. so cool. Do you think you could do it?
Wow, Miss Ray teaching us all about the Philippines. What do you think, guys?
That was really cool.
Cool. And the dance she showed us,
Yeah.
they were balancing cups on their heads. That's awesome.
With fire in them too, because if you drop it, well,
Yeah,
drop it.
can you imagine when the rehearsal for that, right? Trying to keep your head straight, not drop that candle. Wow. So big shout out to Miss Ray this morning. Thank you for teaching us. I had no idea there were 7,000 islands in the Philippines. Did you guys know where the name the Philippines even came from?
No, I didn't.
No.
King of Spain, Philip. Wow, that is amazing.
I thought there were like 4 islands in the Philippines.
No, 7,000 is a lot. Guys, we have our words of wisdom. They are brought to us today by Maya Angelou. I'm going to put her picture up here on the screen for everybody to see. Are you ready to do our words of wisdom?
Yes.
All right. Poet Maya Angelou once said,
Each new hour holds new chances for new beginnings.
in other words, boys and girls, we always have it in our power to start again, to make a new beginning. Whether we change our attitude at school, make a fresh start with a friend or a relative, or decide to get physically fit. Each hour of each day, we can make new choices and begin again.
Ask yourself this: what in my life needs a fresh start? Then remember there are always new chances for new beginnings.
With something to think about.
Oh.
Oh, this is Mr. Martinez. I forgot who I was.
And Joya.
And Luca.
Make it a great day.
Or not.
The choice is yours. Everybody have a wonderful Friday. Next week, we're going to have a special guest each day of the week as we lead into Halloween. We're going to have an enrichment staff member joining us to talk about the great plans that our PTA has planned for Halloween this year. And that all starts Monday. Mr. Matt will be with us, Joya, on Monday, along with Jake. So we're going to have a full house. Everybody have a great weekend, and we'll see everybody back for the morning announcements on Monday. Have a great day, guys.
Bye.
Bye.